Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride and they die.
Alright y'all, so this is the hair right here. I will go ahead and say that the texture looks super good. Like, I'm definitely excited to install this wig. I went ahead and plucked the unit and customized it to my hairline. I feel like I did over pluck when it comes to this side, so for that reason I'm gonna have to see if I'm gonna be able to do baby hairs, because I might not be able to do them, y'all. It's just bald right here. That remains to be seen if I'm gonna be able to do baby hair. I went ahead and just flattened the top out with some of my Kiss wax stick and a little bit of Tresemme spray. I didn't do too much, just trying to pull the hair back and get my part already set. So I'm gonna go ahead and install. I'm doing 3 layers of glue, and I'll come back at the end with my final thoughts on this unit.
kisses and hugs. I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no bad. You acting kinda shady.
All right, you guys, it's still wet, so I think I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours. I have a couple errands to run, so I think I'm gonna come back when the hair is fully dry so that you guys can see the hair in its dried state. I just went ahead and used some of my ORS foam in the hair and wet it down a little bit, and then I sprayed my So Char Sleek Mist on the top so it could just be nice and, you know, so it could be nice and shiny. I also forgot to mention when I deep conditioned the hair, I mixed my silicone mix with some clear Adore hair dye. So I feel like that's contributing to the shine, but it looks really good so far. So I'm gonna go out, run my errands. I might go ahead and beat my face, you know, give y'all a little look, and then we'll come back for the final thoughts on this wig. All right, you guys, this is the completed look. I let it dry out. I put some BioSilk in it, and I kind of just like shook my head around, fluffed it up a little bit to give it a little bit more body yada yada. So I think it came out super pretty. The curls on this unit are really nice. Like, they look really pretty, and the hair is super soft. So I did have that weird smell in the beginning when I first opened the pack up, and I definitely had some like dark liquid when I was washing the wig, but now that it's all the way dried and styled and everything, it looks great. I didn't have any tangling with it, so it was super soft. I think the lace is super nice. Like, my hair is melted. So you have to do your prep work on it. You definitely have to bleach your knots, pluck your unit, but the knots were really small. The lace, like I said, is very good. I didn't have to bleach this wig multiple times. It lifted the first time. I even kind of over bleached the knots, but it still looks really good. So I actually really like this hair, and I would definitely recommend it for anybody that's looking for some nice curly hair. I can't remember what texture this hair is, if it's curly or if it's deep wave, so I'll definitely have all that information in the description box below. But I want to go ahead and thank Alipearl Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.